Hey guys, how's it going? We've got another really cool horn to look at today. So this horn right here is a Leslie S5T aluminum tabby. So this horn is actually a 1964 variant. It is all air correct, everything down to the tag. So with this horn, you've got a 25, a 31, a 37, a 44, and a 55. So this horn, like I said, all air correct. So we'll start with the 25. It's a closed circle 25. The 31, closed circle 31. The 37 is a square 37. The 44 is a square 44. And the 55 is a floating 55, which means it's not square or circle. It's just the 55 only on the bell. It's not surrounded by a square or circle. So we call that a floating 55. You did have a square 55, and you've got a circle 55 also. So, looking at the power chambers, these are aluminum tab back power chambers. Flip this around. These chambers date 1957 to 1967. Before the aluminum tab backs, you had your bronze tab backs. Those were 1950 to 1957. So, 1950, 1957 for the bronze, 1957, 1967 for the aluminum. Then 67 to 77 was your just S-heads, your dome backs. And then after 77, you swapped over to the RS spike back chambers like you have today. So anyway, this horn does have the air correct tag. It is a bronze tag, and here's a picture of it. It's a pretty good looking tag. Unfortunately, at some point this tag was sandblasted, so it's kind of a shame, but at least I've got an air correct tag. So I did unbox this horn on another video. It was one of my first unboxed videos, so go check that out if you haven't seen it. This horn was not painted when I unboxed it. I did the paint job on it and blasted the power chambers and cleaned it up real good. So anyway, really good sounding horn. Y'all enjoy this. This is the 1964 Leslie S5T aluminum tabby.